Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What is going on with ImmutableX? They have completely teased the whole community with this amazing tweet right here. It literally just says, "See you tomorrow," handshake emoji. So maybe there's a huge announcement on the way. Maybe there is a massive partnership on the way. Who knows? I'm very keen to find out. So let's keep an eye on IMX over the few, couple days that are coming up, because I think we could see some crazy price action for this undervalued token. Now, in my opinion, IMX has a long way to go. Of course, it's existed for a while now, and in retrospect is down quite a lot from its 2021 all-time high of around $8. And I think it's crazy to see that this coin actually had a pre-sale, and they raised $13 million and returned a solid 7x for their investors. So it's really cool to see that they did actually have a pre-sale, a token generation event as well, ICO, which is super bullish in my honest opinion. So big things are still coming for this particular coin. The last 7 days have been chopping up and down, battling between support and resistances, and I suppose $1.07 was the high and 0.92 was the low right there. So there is definitely more speculation that we can have some more upside, and I'm going to share with you what target I think is a pragmatic target and something I can see IMX go up to in the next couple of weeks, especially following the bullish news that could be coming out very soon. For those of you who don't know, powering the next generation of Web3 games, mint millions of assets for free. So this is a very powerful ecosystem, the only gas-free minting platform there is, the #1 platform in NFT trades, as well as being 100% carbon neutral, designed solely for games. And when we scroll down below, we can see some of these games that we're familiar with. You've got DeFi Kingdoms, you've got the card game here, you've got loads of cool crypto games right here that we're all very familiar with, and I think this can go a long way. So before we get on with it, guys, make sure you get down into the Discord channel down below. We've got a load of signals and cool things to get excited about. Leverage trading signals, we've got chart channel, we've got spot, DCA, news-based pumps, and really it's just a great place to come and hang out. So you right there, please do me a favor today and smash that subscribe button, and also click on that link down below to my Discord channel. That'd be really helpful. So let's kind of have a look at what's going on. We're getting a lot of pump, a lot of speculation. Obviously last year the entire crypto markets were looking just absolutely deleterious and getting absolutely bombarded by negative news. We had the Lunar Classic crash, we had Sam FTX, and just loads of badness was occurring. But I do think, looking at the price charts now and where we are sitting right now, this was of course the bottom. We had the FTX crisis, seeing IMX come down to a low right here between prices of 0.36 and 0.52 was very impressive, and a good entry to get in and take advantage of that extreme fear in the market. I'm always talking about extreme fear, extreme greed and greed. You have to take advantage of these particular emotions and be a contrarian and not let the emotions actually invalidate your logic. But what we can see here, in my opinion, is we came to this price level before, and it is a sticking point. It's a big level of resistance. We had this in August 2022, last summer. Major resistance level, and we had it just recently actually, and that's why we got rejected at $1.29, is because it's a major resistance from July and August of 2022. I do think if we are to honestly get some good news here, some news that is worthy of hearing about, there is every small chance that we might get another pump, and I'm looking at that 1.414 fib level, which would take us up to about $1.46 if we can break through the $1.29 resistance trend line. And yes, it's not a crazy price target. We've got two resistances to be looking out for. We've got $1.10 and $1.29. So let's see what can happen. There was a bearish divergence forming here on the daily time frame, and we can see on the Bollinger Bands we did get overextended, hence why we saw a bit of a correction here for the IMX token. We see we've got a downtrend, but now I'm speculating at least a bullish reversal and retesting $1.10, and then hopefully retesting as a support, and then coming up to that 129 price target. That is what we're looking at here, if we can get some crazy news from the Twitter. And I think a lot of people are getting bullish. We're seeing a lot of juicy volume, up 200% over the last 24 hours, which is why we can easily speculate this coin might do something impressive very soon. It's definitely an interesting one right now. It's an interesting topic. If we look at corrective phases, I mean, we have this diagonal support, so 95 cents is clearly a big support level from this low over here. If we do come back down, the price sort of levels I'm looking at for reaccumulation will just probably be a very simple area between the 6.8 and the 7.86 support range, and that's where I speculate we could eventually come back down to. So yeah, things looking good. I think before we come back down to DCA zones here, I think we might see some more explosive upside potential. Let's move into a lower time frame, see what's going on here. Interesting, we're getting a bit of rollover, but we are forming higher lows and higher highs simultaneously, which is of course the right thing. That's what we want to see. Let's join up some of these lows here and see what's going on. So in my opinion, it is a bit of an ascending channel, slightly broadening, which could effectively be a little bit bearish, but let's see what does happen. There's also the speculation that we could, form a bit of a head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, possibly a right shoulder over here, and then a bit of negative continuation, but we still have that $1 price level as a solid bit of support before taking off to the upside. So that's exactly what I'm looking out for. Are we going to lose support here in the short term at $1.03 down to support trend line? Very possible, and then get a bit of a bullish reversal as we bounce off that 20-day moving average. That is what we are speculating here, guys. So if you're new to the channel, I do apologize, I feel a bit ill today. I'm not sure what's really going on, but it would be amazing, absolutely amazing, if you could get yourself in the Discord down below. There's over 3,000 members in this community. Consider becoming a Patreon if you want to unlock, get access to firstly messaging me privately, but also early access to pre-sales, ICOs, inside info around them. You're going to get access to trading signals like leverage trading, spot trading, DCA, news, paste, pump signals as well. You're going to get an ebook, you're going to get one-on-one lessons if you want them as well, access to giveaways and a much higher chance to win, and you become a VIP on the Discord, which is really, really cool. So over 100 patrons at the moment, guys. I know it's not really cool to promote yourself. Stop talking about yourself, Jacob. Stop doing that. Stop promoting yourself. Not good. Honestly, if you do want to grow in the crypto winter, it's the place to do so. So yeah, IMX, certainly a lot of potential. Let's see if we can traverse through this ascending channel and hit those juicy resistance levels. Fear and greed index 53 in the market, so we're not bearish. We're still looking pretty good, in my honest opinion. And for those hunters that are looking for those pre-sales, I've got 3 linked down below for you. A metaverse play to earn, move to earn token known as Fight Out, capitalize crypto in the gym. They've raised $4.8 million. We've also got C+ Charge, sustainability carbon offsetting program, raised 1.8 million, currently 0.017 US dollars. The price will be going up in just 22 hours. They are launching at $0.023. At least they claim they are doing so. So it's another pre-sale you can check out down below. And of course the robots era pre-sale, very, very bullish on this particular one. It's a metaverse token, just like Sandbox, a planet rebuilding world. So there's 3 pre-sales you can check out today, guys. Feel free to do so. Do your own research and due diligence, not financial advice, and please do not risk more than you can afford to lose. That's never a good idea. Remember, I am just the first block to your research. I'm here to help highlight high value opportunities in the market and help you guys grow and learn new skills in the crypto markets too. So yeah, do all those YouTube things, smash the subscribe button, flick the like button, grab the comment section, just do all those YouTube thingies. So yeah, that'd be really helpful. Peace.